हेलो एंड वेलकम गाइस, दिस इज ओशन दोस्त आशुतोष एंड वी हैव स्प्लिट्सविला फेम अनमोल विद अस जो हमारे साथ मना रही है क्रिसमस। तो आइए उनसे जब बात करते हैं। अनमोल, वेलकम टुडे।
Thank you so much.
इट्स प्लेजर हैविंग यू। क्रिसमस इज नियर, तो आप पूरे पार्टी मूड में लग रहे हैं, तो कैसे सेलिब्रेट कर रहे हैं इसे?
So I am super excited. Christmas is one of my favorite festival of all the time. Why? Because I'm a person who's more into decoration, creative. So I've made my own Christmas tree. I've decorated with my own hands and on Christmas you get to go to Mount Mary and it's super pretty. Like you can, of course, I'm a grown up kid so I shouldn't be saying this, but I do believe in Santa Claus, so maybe all my wishes will come true this year. Let's see.
What has been your best Santa Claus gift or gift in Christmas you have ever got?
So that was when I was, I think, 8 years old. So I used to put all these socks, on my this balcony. So later when I grew up, I realized it was my mom. It was no Santa Claus. So I always wanted this new crayon. So there has been new camel crayon being launched. Different colors. So there was this golden and sparkle color. So I was young and it was like my mom had kept it in this. I was very happy. I even cried. I was like, that's so sweet. And I was like, wow, Santa Claus came and gave me my colors. But when I grew up, my mom spoiled it for me. She said it was her. So yeah.
गॉड्स ग्रेस यह बिन अभी आपको काफ़ी कुछ मिल गया है, मतलब तो बट फिर भी ये साल क्या एक्सपेक्ट कर रहे हैं क्रिसमस पे या सेंटा क्लॉज से? अनमोल को क्या चाहिए इस बार?
Okay, so this year, I'm just hoping maybe Santa should put me on some big silver screen where people, my lovers, my fan can watch me there. This is my wish for this Christmas. And apart from that, as I'm a dog lover, I'm a pet lover, lately I've been supporting a couple of NGOs. So I would want that people, they should take out some of their time where they just spend on gossiping and stuff. So that particular amount of time they should go to NGOs where they can help other people, not only dogs and animals, but maybe poor children who are in need. So yeah, that is another wish which ki Bhagwan thoda sa, और दिल दीजिए humans को so that they can help others. Yeah.
That's really a good thought, I must say. Anmol, after Splitsvilla, how much your life has changed?
Okay, so frankly speaking, when I was in Splitsvilla, the kind of person I am right now, I was the same. Okay, I mean, so after Splitsvilla, when I started going out with my friends and family, then people used to stop me that, hi, are you Anmol from Splitsvilla? So they used to be like, oh, they know me, right? I've done the show. Because I'm a person who's not, I don't know, I mean, I just don't, maybe I might be celebrity for people, but for me and for my friends, I'm just Anmol. And I never feel it that way. Though I've worked hard for it, I should, but I don't know, it's just me. So yeah, I feel really good when people, they know me, they stop me, they take, and I never say no to my fans, trust me. Because I feel so blessed that in this India, there are so many people. When I got eliminated, there's been people who actually cried for me. I feel blessed that these people, they don't even know me, but still they praise me and they love me so much. So yeah, my life was here and now it's here. Like, it has changed completely. So yeah, I'm glad about it.
Yeah, even we are happy and seeing you after Splitsvilla. So after Splitsvilla, is there any plans like coming into acting, or what are you moving ahead up to?
So here's a secret. I mean, I had been tied up with couple of new projects. I won't name the channel, I won't name the thing, but give it some time, like maybe a month or two, you might see me on TV soon.
So yes. What are your plans this Christmas? आप क्या कर रहे हैं इस बार? अनमोल Christmas में क्या कर रही
हैं? So me on this Christmas, so basically I make dream catchers. If you people know about it, basically dream catchers is to catch nightmares. So I make those dream catchers. So I've recently made a very beautiful Christmas dream catcher. So I'll be making couple more small dream catchers, which I might go to some orphanage or something in the morning. I'll give it to children so that they can also celebrate their Christmas nicely. And in the night, I might go to Mount Mary because that is one of my favorite places. If you have ever gone to Mount Mary, so you can see it's like, it's lit. Like, you don't feel coming back from there. So I'll go there, I'll pray, and then after that I might sit on bandstand, just spend my time alone. That's what I'm gonna do on Christmas.
That's great. And New Year is also there, so happy. And so, are you in Mumbai or you are planning somewhere outside?
So honestly speaking, I'm a person who is more into, you know, peaceful kind of a thing and all of it. So I was planning to go to for camping this new year, where I could just sit in my camp, enjoy the bonfire and gaze the stars. So maybe I might not be in town because I wouldn't want to go for any party and with that allows me. That's what we do every new year. Why? This is like, it's going to be 2018. How can you make your new year different? So I'm making a new change for myself. I'm heading towards making peace and, you know, changing, trying to become a better person. So I would leave everything behind just one day for myself and just spend it by myself. Yes.
So after Splitsvilla, who is your best friend, or who are the closest buddy you hang out with after
Right.
Splitsvilla?
So in Splitsvilla, frankly speaking, Nivedita and I, we were best friends on the show. So there was this task, if you remember, where the guys have to propose girls in a very innovative way, where Sunny and Ranvijay were showing the board. So I felt really bad that when Priyank proposed Divya, and Nivedita was left out. So I was the one who proposed her, and then everyone really liked it. So me, Nivedita, Akshita, Naina, Basir, Mohit, we guys were bestest friend. After the show, I mean, I don't know, I wouldn't say best friends. That happens because you don't have your cell phones, you don't have other things, you just have a villa where you have, like, you know, full of people. So I usually hang out with Akash, Nibhi, Naina. Akshita stays a little far, and Mohit doesn't. Basir doesn't stay here. Mohit. These people I hang out with, but I wouldn't say that these guys are like my best buddies. I just, because I don't like lying. So yeah, I mean, these people are my good friends, and I do hang out with them. So yes.
So any special plans and special wishes you would like to say to the viewers? Kuch bata.
Yes, definitely. I wish you all a very happy Christmas and a happy New Year from Lehre News and from Anmol Chaudhary. Lots of love. Mwah.
Okay, thank you, Anmol. Thanks a lot for talking to us. It's a pleasure talking to you. With camera person Prakash, Ashtosh for Lehre, signing off.